Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aislinn, back at it again with another video. So, as you can see by today's title, we are doing a try-on haul, long awaited, but this time it's not from Fashion Nova, it's from Meshki. So, yeah, I ordered from this website because I have heard so many people say great things about it on YouTube. I've seen so many like fire pics on Insta, so I'm like, I need to try out some of this stuff. So, here I am today, trying it out for you guys. So, it's very small. I didn't get a lot of things because it is a little bit more on the pricey side, and I wanted to make sure that I actually liked the products beforehand. But yeah, if you guys want to see a cute little Meshki haul / review, then just keep on watching and let's get into it. Let's go. Starting off, Meshki is, I think, in Australia. Yeah, it's Australian. So the duties on this are quite pricey. So my order total ended up being $300 Australian. However, I paid $100 when it got to my door. Mind you, it did come in a week, like less than a week, I'm pretty sure. And I did order it to Canada, so that's why I had to pay more duties on it. I'm going to try my next order to the States just to see if I have to pay less money on it, because then I'll start doing that. Because $100 after you've already spent $300, coins, y'all, coins. I'm going to start off with what I'm wearing right now, which is the Bella V ribbed crop top in white. I got everything in a size small, I believe. Yes. This was $39 Australian, so $40 for this stupid little top. But honestly, guys, it's really cute, and I don't have anything like it. And then I also am wearing it with the Sylvia loop back joggers in nude, and I also got these in a size small, and these were $69 Australian, so $70 jogging pants. $70 jogging pants. Like, excuse me, why am I paying $70 for jogging pants? I'll tell you why. Okay, I'll tell you why. So this is the top, and these are the joggers. So the joggers are actually really nice quality, really nice material. I've worn them quite a few times actually, and I'm obsessed. They have amazing pockets, like really thick. You can see the quality is really nice, and they are tie-up. Oh my god, I can't do this back up now. So they are tie-up joggers, and they're really high-waisted. As you can see, they look really cute on. They're not super tight, so they don't give you like the biggest booty, but like they are really cute, and they are cuffed at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can kind of see, but yeah. This is the top. It's really cute and a little bit see-through, but not like too bad. I'm just hiding my boobies so that I don't get demonetized. But yeah, anyways, the top is literally just like a cotton crop top. It's nothing special, but it is really soft. Like, it feels really nice, and the way that it fits is just honestly perfect. This is what it looks like in the back. I'm obsessed with it, to be honest. I think this is a cute look in itself. So I will be linking all the prices of everything in the description down below. I love this top. I love these pants. The pants honestly feel like butter. So like, really, would I pay $70 again for another pair? Yeah, I would. But I'm sick in the head. So you do you. If you want to try them out, I definitely highly recommend it. Really nice quality. So let's get on to the next goodies, shall we? Next thing that I got the exact same top, but in like this purpley kind of shade. Like, how do I explain this top? I really don't know, but it's really nice. And this is called, honestly, look at the tags on this too. How nice is that? Like, it just looks like expensive. So this is the Bella V-neck ribbed crop top in small as well, and this is called mauve, this color. That's what they call it. So this is this color. Like, it almost looks black right now where I'm looking from it, but I am gonna get it in black because this is like such a cute top. But yeah, once again, super comfortable, very soft. I love the cut. Like, it just makes your boobs look so good. It even looks cute with these pants, to be honest. Like, it's just really cute. Like, I just really like it. Same thing in the back. I haven't worn this one yet. The white one I have worn, but this one I have not yet. It's a look. I can't really say much more about this one than I did about the last one because it's exactly the same. It's just a different color. So yeah, next thing that I got is completely undone, so you're not going to be able to see until I try it on, but so you can kind of see. No, you can't really see, but anyways, it's ribbed. It's really nice material. I have already worn this a couple times as well. This top is so cute. It's called the Basha, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Basha button up crop top in nude, and this was only $20 as well. It's the only thing with these kind of tops, like, legit just go, when you go, when you go. Okay, so this is this top. This one's definitely a little bit more appropriate, I feel. I just love this color. I think it's really cute. This is the detail of it. But yeah, like these can unbutton, so if you wanted a couple unbuttoned, you totally could. And you can wear this one with a bra if you want to, because the back looks like that. So the next thing that I got is also in this nude color. I was on like a nude kick when I ordered all this stuff. So this one is called the Yvonne crop top in nude, and I'm sure if you guys have heard of Meshki, you've seen this shirt before. So once again in a size small, and this was $45. Why is this little top $45? The quality of this shirt is so nice. Like, it's just really thick, beautiful material. Like, I can't really explain other than kind of showing you guys, but it's double lined. It's beautiful. I love this thin strap straight top kind of look. It's just a nice shirt. It's just good quality. You can feel that like these aren't gonna just rip off and break at any point. This is a sturdy top. Okay, even the tag in it is like so nice. What a nice quality. Okay, so this is this top. It is so cute. I'm sure you could wear this with a strapless bra if you wanted to. It's not see-through at all. It's so constricting, like it just holds you where you need to be. It's amazing. And the back, I love how thin the straps are because they almost don't even look like they're there. So it almost looks like you're wearing like a tube top, but you're not. So it like stays up by itself and you don't have to worry about pulling it up every 3 seconds. I will definitely be getting this in more colors. Okay, so on the website, I thought that I was ordering the full thing because I clearly don't know how to read. But yeah, so I got the Mary high-waisted V bikini bottoms in neon pink in a size small. And these were $39 just for the bottoms. But this is the color. They're absolutely stunning. This is the little emblem on the back. Sorry, I'm making it impossible for you guys to see. But yeah, they're super, super high-waisted. I'm not going to be trying these on because, number one, I don't have the top. So what is even the point of that? But when I get the top, if you guys want to see a bikini haul from Meshki, let me know. These are super, super high-rise. Like, this is going to go, like, up to here, okay? Because, like, this is the vagina. Like, can I say that? I don't know. This is where your ends, okay? So it will literally be as high as these pants, but super cute, very cheeky, like just gonna be adorable. The top that it comes with is super cute too. You can kind of mix and match, but I thought I was getting both pieces for $39, but I should have known if I'm paying $70 for a pair of jogging pants, you're probably not getting 2 pieces from a bathing suit for $39. So the next thing that I got are these cute little biker shorts. I love biker shorts. So these are the Rana ribbed biker short leggings in baby pink, also in a size small, and these were also $40. Wow. These just feel like good quality. Like, this is a thick ass band. Like, this is nice. These are really thick. Wow, these are really nice. Okay, I'm really just excited to try these on and see if they look as nice on as they do off. But the color is so pretty, and obviously you guys can see that they are ribbed. Okay, so I would definitely recommend wearing these with nude underwear. I'm not wearing nude underwear right now, and you can't really see them. But, like, these are so high-waisted and nice. They do not give me a camel, which is amazing. The back is really cute. That is so cute. I kind of feel like it's, like, flattening my booty a little bit. Wow, they're so high-waisted. Wow, guys. These are so cute. I forgot to show you, like, on the leg, there's like a little Meshki detail. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, it says Meshki right there, like very faint and like a baby pink. These are honestly adorbs. So this is the Dana reversible crop singlet strappy top in gray. And this is $35. So it says it's reversible. And basically what they mean by that is you can wear it like this. So it's just like a plain crop top. Or you can wear the logo in the front. So it's really cute. Like, I like that idea. I like that you don't have to wear the logo in the front and it could like look like it's the tag on the back. Like, that was really smart of them. And I like how all of their things are like embossed in the clothing. Like, it's so nice. So let's try this on. I love this color. I don't have anything this color. Okay, this top is super cute. So this is wearing it with the logo on the front, obviously. Really nice quality. Just feels like a really nice tank top, to be honest. Like, it's super cute. I love this color. Once again, you could wear it with a strapless bra. So this is what the back looks like when you wear it, the logo in the front. And now I'll try it on the other way for you guys so you guys can see what the other side looks like. Oh, cute. Yeah, I like that idea. So I do notice that this side is a little bit longer and a little like less revealing, which is nice. And then the logo in the back is super cute. Like, it doesn't look like you're wearing it the wrong way at all. So if you're not really feeling like having the logo showing, you can just wear it like that. And that is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. So I have 2 things left, and they're actually the same item, just in different colors, because I just thought it was a really cute dress. I got this Angela mini dress in baby pink and also in baby blue, both in a size small, and also both for 35 doll hairs. Okay, so I don't have any dresses like this, and I also don't have any dresses these colors. So the dress is super cute. It's very thick. It does have adjustable straps, which is amazing. It has an invisible zipper, which is phenom. I'm obsessed with that. I hate when the zipper is showing on dresses like this. And then the bottom is like super cute and just like ruffled. Like, you kind of can't tell right here, but you'll see more when it's on. Like, how cute is that? I just love this color, to be honest. Something's on this one. Meshki, that is not good. There's like a little stain on this one. I'm not impressed with that. Okay, that's annoying. But for some reason, this one feels a little bit thicker. I'm not going to lie. But yeah, this one is a super cute color as well. I'm really annoyed if I can't get that stain out. I'm going to lose my mind. Okay, this dress is adorable, but it is really short. Like, I feel like my kuka is going to pop out at any moment in time. But I love the neckline of this. The back is really cute too. I just love this like little frilly kind of look. I'm not mad at it. So this is what the little ruffle at the bottom looks like. Super cute. I really, how many times have I said super cute in this video? I'm annoyed with myself. Okay. But yeah, this is this dress. I really, really like it. And I'm excited to wear an outfit with it. Really, here's where my like butt cheek ends, right here. So that's like really risky. Okay, this is really weird, but I feel like this one actually fits better. Like, I don't have to pull it down. Like, I feel like maybe that one was like mislabeled. Like, the size is not a small. This one feels way better. The quality of this one is nicer. Like, it just looks nicer. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I don't know what happened there, but even like on this one, my butt ends right here. So like, I don't feel like it's like out and exposed. I like this one way more. That's really weird. Okay, inconsistency. I don't like that. This is what the top looks like. Adjustable straps, and just feel like really flirty in this dress. I think it's a really, really cute dress. Like, you can't really go wrong with this. Adorable. Like, in the summer when you have a nice tan, how cute is this going to be? Like, right now I'm so pale, but like, I'm going to get these off, but I need to make sure I can get this little stain out first. I'm so annoyed about that. Like, I literally have never even took this out of the bag, so I don't really know how that happened, but I love this color too. I have to get more things in this color from the website. I would probably tighten the straps just a little bit, but yeah, overall, that's everything that I got. I really, really, really like the quality of their products. Like, so nice. I can't recommend it enough. Overall, I think this website is amazing. I think that shipping was really fast. The only thing that sucked was that you had to pay duty on things. Other than that, the quality's amazing, other than this little stain that I'm going to have to try to get out. But I like how everything's thick and double lined and not see-through. And just like really nice clothing, to be honest. Like, their basic line is so cute. You have to check them out. I will link Meshki's website down below. This is not sponsored by Meshki. I wish it was. Meshki, if you see this video, please hit your girl up, because I would love some free clothing, okay? Yeah, honestly, I can't recommend this brand enough. I really, really, really like everything, and I can't wait to order more things from them. So if you guys want to see another Meshki haul, let me know. Like this video. That's all for this haul. I'm Dr. Seuss, yo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to like this video if you like it and you want to see more Meshki hauls from me. Also, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and if you already have, then you're a real OG. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get my videos every time they go live on YouTube. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.